Hi everyone and welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Thursday 17th of November with me, Rich Player Market Analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable now, we have just had out the UK retail sales data. Really strong numbers out from the UK retail sales across the board, pretty much smashing expectations, certainly on the year-on-year data. 7.6 on an ex-fuels basis. Now I've sort of got the chart here. It's not actually come through as it's not been posted yet on the chart, the number, but 7.6 would be the highest since 2002 on that data. So really strong numbers for the UK retail sales, and cable sort of lifted positively on the back of that. And it is gaining ground, and it'll be very interesting to see, because we have certainly been consolidating in the last, well, certainly yesterday and this morning, until that retail sales data. But that retail sales data really has pushed us higher, sort of confirming or looking to leave now support at 2405 area, which has been the last couple of days basically of support, which again reaffirms this sort of creeping higher of the lows. 2350 was the low back in earlier November, and then 2380, 2405, and if we break back above sort of 2515, which is this reaction high that we got on Tuesday, then the outlook will be increasingly positive again, and then it sort of comes up towards 2557, which is this pivot line that we've got. If I zoom out, you can see it, 2557. Which is again a pivot line. So you've got an improving outlook certainly on sterling with this retail sales data. It'll be very interesting to see if if this positive run on sterling today can continue, because obviously we've got a hell of a lot of data today, lots of US data, not necessarily all tier 1, but certainly the US inflation this afternoon will have a massive impact, you'd imagine, on cable. So if the cable rate can continue and maintain this this run higher from the retail sales data, that would certainly be a positive for sterling and the general outlook. So holding on to the gains at the moment, but the sequence of higher lows is interesting, I find, and the hourly RSI up above 60, that's not been seen for a few days. That suggests sort of this little corrective phase is starting to sort of certainly turn around. I think pressure on 2515 is likely to be seen, and possibly 2557, but certainly the little corrective move that we've seen in the last few days, which has sort of posted 3 bear candles, is starting to turn around again, and the daily momentum indicators remaining strong. RSI is still above 50, stochastics just holding on to the positive outlook. So all looking relatively positive, although still not entirely breaking higher again yet. Need to still see a bit more move through near-term resistance levels, but still cable looking positive nonetheless. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.